This is my play to part 2, guys. So guys, we're going to play something, guys. Okay, we're going to play Brookhaven again for part 2. So natapos ko yung video doon. So guys, magagawa na ako ng part 2 ng robbing. Guys. Ito guys. Alright guys. Guys, ito pala ang cellphone ko. Maganda pala to. Bilhin nyo na. Guys, bilhin nyo na guys. Kasalanan. Alright guys, it's time to rob. But first, we need to be small. Okay, we need to be small. Kasalanan ba? Hindi ako sa langit ba? Kasalanan ba? Hindi ako sa langit. Guys, okay guys. Guys, let's go. Okay, let's rob now. Okay guys, wala pa ng house na gaano guys. Grabe yan, isa lang ng gaano ng house. Grabe na yan. Uy, uy guys, buti na hindi nakalak pinto. Sana all guys. Okay, let's do our first rob. Guys, nasa yung seat dito. Kapag kita ko yun eh. Nasa yung seat. Nasa yung seat dito guys. Guys, nasa yung seat dito. Manap. Oh no guys. Guys, tita, hindi natin mahanap. Guys, twin black, guys. Okay, guys. Wala tayong mahanap na bahay. Guys, maghanap pa ako ng bahay. So, let's grab. Bang. Boom. Yeah. Okay guys. Oh heck na. I'm a close session. Kasalanan ba? Hindi ako langit ba? Kasalanan ba? Guys, nasan yung set dito? Good. Guys, hindi natin mahanap yung safe. Guys, hindi natin mahanap yung Okay guys, wala tayong magawa. Uy. Uy. It's sarap daw. What the? Ah, halol. L-A-L. L-O-N. Ah, Lula President. Saan ginagawa nito? Ginagawa. Ah, Lula President. Ah, Lula President. So guys, wala tayong mahanap na bahay. Magano na lang tayo. Wala nyo. Magnanakot tayo ng tao, guys. So guys, tapos na ako mag-change. Guys, create my scare face. Hihi! Manakot tayo ng tao, guys. Aurora Presidents. Wala tayong magagawa. Wala tayong magagawa. Aurora Presidents. Aurora Presidents. So guys, wala tayong mahanap ng ano. Pinaggagawa nila dito. Woo! Tignan nga. Guys, ano tayo? Guys, what are you looking at? Guys, what are you looking at? What are you looking at, guys? Oh, heck na! Let's run! Woo! Let's... Guys, hinahabol ako! Takbo, guys! Pero takbo. Takbo, takbo, takbo. Guys, I'm innocent. I'm innocent. I'm Michael Jackson. I'm innocent. That's good. Things are good. Things are good. Things are good. Guys, wala tayong magagawa. So guys, you cannot do this. Nasa taas ako ng ano, guys. Okay guys, ano na lang ako. I'll be a taxi man. Nag-refreshing. Alright guys, I'm gonna be a taxi man. Let's spawn a taxi. Let's speed 35. G5. away, please. I'm not here. Okay, proceed it. Taxi. Taxi. Guys, magagas mo na ako, guys. At wait lang, wala ako nahanap na tao. At dito ko muna tatapos sa video. Huwag niyo kalimutan like and subscribe. Click rin yung bell button kung may bagong video. Bye-bye!